Today I'll demonstrate how to buy shares of LightPath Technologies Inc., a maker of precision optical components and assemblies used in commercial, aerospace, and defense applications. LightPath trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker LPTH, and this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To start, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process step by step. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LPTH to find the listing for LightPath Technologies Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ result from the search results before continuing. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have LightPath Technologies Inc. selected. Double-check the ticker LPTH and the exchange shown as NASDAQ to ensure it is the right stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the transaction. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it at any time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account and follow this example.